Hey guys, your vacuum collector and fixer here, and I'm doing another vintage Hoover video. This is my Hoover 725 from 1929. You've seen this before, but it's been a while. Looks nice as ever. It's just like the Hoover 700, but it's a little newer. This one's an early one because it's got the 700 style grip, whereas later ones, they were all silver. They didn't have black. But yeah, so it's a nice machine. I really like the startup. It kind of smells when you use it, but it's an old vacuum. It's 91 years old, so what do you expect? So anyway, without further ado, let's get this going. So that's my Hoover 725. It's impressive how well it agitates and how well it does for its age. I mean, it's lasted so long. These stand the test of time, these old machines. Can't expect that from a lot of newer ones. So, anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more content.